Today, we're creating a clean and modern boxes reveal effect in CapCut Mobile. This effect reveals your video through animated square tiles, great for intros, product shots, and trendy reveals. Let's jump in. Start by importing your clip into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, go down to the Effects button in the bottom toolbar. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, in CapCut Mobile, video effects are applied directly to the clip. From here, open the Split tab, look for an effect called Popping Blocks and tap to apply it. Instantly, you'll see your footage reveal through multiple animated square boxes. Creating a stylish block-based transition to customize it, tap again on the effect. Here, you'll find the speed slider. Increase the speed if you want the boxes to reveal quickly. Decrease the speed for a slower, more cinematic reveal. You can also drag the edges of the effect on the timeline to decide how long the animation appears. And that's it. You've just added the boxes reveal effect using the popping blocks effect in CapCut Mobile, a great way to add motion and style to your edits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.